To set up pre-shipping in Squarespace, start by opening a web browser and navigating to squarespace.com. Click on the Login button. Then enter your email and password to access your account dashboard. From the dashboard, go to the website where you want to set up pre-shipping. In the website's settings, click on Selling and scroll down to the Shipping option. You'll see the Add Shipping option feature, which allows you to import shipping rates from another website or set them up manually. To create a pre-shipping option, you can define a flat rate or charge per order. For example, you can set a per order fee of 0, which means you won't charge for shipping. Simply save your settings, and the pre-shipping option will be activated. This will allow you to offer free shipping on all orders. By following these steps, you can easily set up pre-shipping in Squarespace and start offering this convenient option to your customers.